Hello everyone, it's Toby from Wingfoil Daily. Welcome on our channel and welcome to another video. Today we are doing a little unboxing. We've got the Puffer Pro pump from Airbank, and I would say we're gonna have a look what's in the box and later on test if this pump is any good for wingfoiling. Let's dive into it. Let's have a look what's in the box. I got it delivered like this. It's a box in the box. Nice little storage case. Some manuals. Here's the pump. There you go. So that's pretty much everything we get. It's the manuals and the pump. So you got this guy with one adapter, and that's pretty cool. I guess that's the adapter set for different wing brands. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna test that. And there's a little bag with some accessories. Not sure yet what they're for, but we'll find out. And there's a cable to charge your Airbank pump. Let's have a quick look what kind of plugs the pump has. I guess here's the inflate and deflate. Quite a simple, the buttons are pretty much self-describing. Got a little handle to hold this pump. Here's alright. And to charge the pump is here. It's got a USB-C port. Alright. So I would say let's charge this guy and see how it works. Cheers.